Okay guys, so we are about to start this beautiful DB12. Now I've placed my mic right here. Hopefully you guys can hear how the gorgeous sound of this beautiful car sounds like. Now let's take a look at the front once again before we give this car a start. Check out the lighting that comes in from the exterior part. Love how it hits the body of the car. Volcano red is what they call it. Okay, so I got a key with me. Okay, so now let's get this car woken up and bring it back to life a little bit, volume down a little bit. Love the Aston Martin wording that's popping up right here. Amazing layout. I love how the interface is for a car like this, so absolutely amazing. So let's give this car a start, leg on the brake, and let's push the start button. I love how when leg's on the brake, the light actually lights up in red, so fantastic. And also I love the key, man, dude. Fantastic. So leg on the brake, start the button, and let's see what's popping up here. Yeah, amazing. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful setup. So for the fan lower, let's lower the fan down a little bit. Let's take a look. We have right there. Driving mode, I believe you can actually adjust it on this side right here if you wish to. But we're going to be changing this flap open in a while more so you guys can actually see it. But nevertheless, let's see how we can actually change whatever that's needed to be changed in this section right here. Personalize, drive, exhaust in GT. So I have it in Sport Plus as well. Cool. Love how it's opened up, and let's rev it. Cool, man. Let it just cool down a little bit for a while more. The RPM has to drop below 1, and that's where it is. So let's give it a shot. Yeah. Amazing, man, dude. Love it. Settings are all right here. Exhaust, Sport Plus. Beautiful. What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have this beautiful Aston Martin DB12 that we have right in front of us here in this Volcano red is what they call it, and this car looks absolutely aggressive in many ways, especially the shape of this car, and then with the lighting that comes in from there, it really helps bring the red color out in many ways possible. Now before we get right to the specs of how this car has been spec'd up, let us first take a look at the gorgeous front lights of this beautiful DB12. Now take a look at the shape of this, man, dude. Amazing layout. We will turn on the lights in a while more to show it to you how the DRLs actually light up over here. Now I love the Aston Martin word that's right on this particular finish that we have right here. Amazing texture that we have right at the bottom here with some black finish on the inner part. I like how I'm standing this way and I can still see the lights and the beautiful design of this car, man, dude. Beautiful. Now the bottom here, you got your openings right here for air to flow through on this side. Amazing, aggressive looking front. You get the bottom piece right here in this gloss black finish. Amazing setup as well for the side lips that we have right here. Beautiful. Now for the grille, you have it in this bright finish grille. You have many options to go for the front grille even in a dark finish, but in this case it is in a bright finish as well. So beautiful lines that we have right here. Number plate goes right here as well. You got your beautiful 360 camera right at the front. You got your sensors located on this side also as well. Amazing. Take a look at the front hood. Beautiful grille, and here as well. So cooling happens because your engine is a front mid engine. Love the lines that are coming from the side, even on this side, together with here. So can you see with the light that comes in from there? It really helps show the design and how aggressive the car looks from the top. So you do get your beautiful Aston Martin badging right here, the wing design, sorry, not winglet. But anyways, take a look at the wheels, man, with the lights helping how gorgeous this car looks is even more amazing. Michelin tires is what they're using, Pilot Sport S5, so Aston Martin Lagonda, and also you get 275 35R21, gorgeous wheels, steel bricks for the back. And you get this satin multi-spoke forged wheel for a car like this. So it's alloy forged wheels. So you get the Aston Martin brake calipers in this grey finish. Amazing layout as well, dude. Love it. So for the side, love how the opening also is in this gloss black finish on the inside with some bright finish right here with the Aston Martin word at the side right here. Now we will open up the hood in a while more to show it to you guys, but nevertheless, just check out how amazing the bottom side skirting is in this gloss black finish as well for the bottom. And for the side mirrors, they follow the body color together with the roof. So the roof also has the body color happening right on top also as well. You do get some gloss black finishes on this side right here, extends out, and then the side mirror follows the body color. The bottom part of the mirror is in this gloss black finish together with your 360 camera located here. Now some other cars are located on this side, but in this case it's beautifully done on this side. Amazing indeed. You do get a clear glass as well for the DB12. You have options to go for the rear and to go fully blacked out, privacy glass if you wish to, but in this case it's nice to see it that way. Let's open up the doors and check out how the doors angle upwards. So I'm taking a look from the back right here, and let's take one from the front so you guys can actually see how the door angles up to a certain degree. See what I mean? It's beautiful, man. So let's take a look at the inside part of this car, man. So it's a blacked out finish. Love the interior, fully blacked out. But what's important is you get some red stitching that is happening on this side. Spicy red interior stitching is what is on this car. So that's the contra that complements the exterior part of the car. So red, a little bit happening on the inside, but the main red is happening on the outside as well. So gloss black finishing all over the place right here. Speaker grill on this side right here, amazing layout. Your window adjustments on here. Handle to open up the doors on this side, and of course you want to pull and close the door, your hand goes in right there to pull and close the door. Compartment storage right at the bottom right here, and you do get your beautiful DB12 plate and hand built in Great Britain. Love how this looks, man. Check out the interior once again. Leather dashboard happens all over the place. Love these seats. In these comfort seats is what they call it. And take a look at the back. Do get an amazing setup for the rear seats. Now I did get someone that did request for me to try and see what is it like to be sitting at the rear seats. Now let's just give it one simple shot and see if I can actually fit in comfortably. And this is me sitting comfortably right at the rear in a way. I'm not sure if I'll be sitting right at the back for a beautiful car like this, but let me just see how well this looks. Okay, so it is sensing that there is someone sitting right here right now, and yeah, it's giving me space in every way as it can be. Now of course the front seats, you are able to move it a little bit forward, but you know, you can, and I'm like, headroom is, I believe so, it's good. Comfortable, I believe so, in a way. I mean, I am sitting comfortably like this. If the car is in a fast speed, of course it's going to look really good lah. Yeah, you normally get a speaker right here, but depends on what kind of sound system you actually spec it up to go for. But yeah, cool. Let's push the seat forward. Seat goes absolutely forward as well in every way possible. Now let's hop right down and let's see what else can we spot with this amazing layout of this gorgeous car indeed, man, dude. So let's push the seat right back. Okay, cool. So let's take a look at the black lining that we have right here, the gloss black that goes across on the side all the way to the back. Love how the mirror also is a part of it, and then it just goes along to this side all the way to the front, connects back on this side. So very cool for the side of the car to be in this gloss black finish. Now for the rear, before that, the wheels. Once again, multi-spoke forged satin wheels is what they call it. You get some Aston Martin wording right here on the brake calipers. You got your steel brakes right there, Aston Martin badging right there in the center. 325/30 R21 Michelin tires is what they're using this for. Beautiful look. Love how wide this car looks, especially from the rear. If you guys can take a look, see how wide this car looks. Amazing. So brake lights in this red taillight design. Of course, you have an option to go for it in a smoked finish as well, but in this case it's with red. You get your Aston Martin wording right here in this bright finish together with your Aston Martin badge for the rear as well. Your rear diffuser in this blacked out finish. You got some exhaust tailpipes on the left and the right side also as well. Amazing layout. Okay guys, so to open up the rear boot, it's not from this side right here, but it's from the key or either from the door. So amazing indeed. Let's take a look at the gorgeous finish of the rear boot, man. Simple, clean setup. I believe you enough to store as much of luggages as you wish to. Amazing golf bag. I believe you can fit it in. Depends on whether you need to. Airflow that pops in from the side of the vents that we have right here. Can you see that? The opening airflow exits out straight towards this side, but goes through on this side up here, exits out on this side. So acts as a way for the rear wing to give it some sort of downforce, man, dude. So it's amazing indeed. You got your warning triangle is located right here on this side. Number plate goes right down there. So beautiful, beautiful indeed. Now let's close this down and take a look at the driver's side of things, man, dude. Fantastic layout. Love how the doors actually look. Amazing interior. Love the leather finish that's happening all over the place. Gloss black finishing. You got your door handles right here in this metal finish. Speaker goes right there. You got your window adjustments up and down. Boot opening right here. Compartment storage down there. Love the gloss black finishing happening throughout the whole side of the door. Fantastic. DB12 hand built in Great Britain on this side right here. Seat belts beautifully done in this greyish blacked out finish, I believe. Black finish. So amazing interior. Once again, spicy red is the stitching that is on this car, man. Can you see what I mean? Love the Aston Martin design-like finish. Beautiful steering wheel. Now let's hop right in. Show you guys the amazing setup that we have right here. So you do get your amazing chrome lining on the accelerator and the brake pedal as well. Your bright finish, negative shift, positive shift, your lighting adjustments right here, your air vent adjustments right there, together with on this side, red stitching across the dashboard, engine start stop on this side right here, drive, reverse and whatnot all over the place. So beautiful layout, man, dude. Love how this car looks, man. Finishing is superb. Controls to control that side, controls to control this side. Amazing. Cup holders down here. Let's see if I can okay, cool. You got some storage place down here. You got your 2 Type-C located right there as well. So amazing indeed. So this is me sitting comfortably right at the front driver's seat. You have your mirror adjustments on this side. Amazing indeed. Beautiful. You had your lightings on this side as well. So very cool indeed. Frameless rear mirrors. Love the suede Alcantara that's happening across the whole upper part of the roof lining, including the pillars as well, all over the place. Amazing layout, leather dashboard. You got to be here to see this in person, to actually be sitting here and feeling this car. Absolutely amazing. Let us now try to check out the front of the hood. Let's see what amazing part is actually there. Let me see if I can find. Now, before that, let's turn on the DRLs to show you guys how amazing the car looks with the lights turned on that we have right here. Check that out, man, dude. You see what I mean? How the cuts are like in this glass shape like finish. How it's extending out in this way, and then the bottom layer has another layer and another layer and another layer. Beautiful layout. The red color with some bright finish grille really makes this car stand out to the max, man, dude. I love how this car looks. Let's get a nice cover photo for the front. Damn, beautiful. Beautiful finish. Now let's check out the rear with the brake lights actually turned on for you guys to see how the line lights up at the side, goes right underneath here in whatever angle that is that you guys are standing at to look at. Let's now turn on the hazard lights for you guys to feel and see. So for the side mirrors, you have them lighted up on this side, right there. And for the front, you have them on this side right here. Beautiful. You have it on this side as well. So beautiful indeed. Cool. Let's take a look at the rear. Goes across the whole piece that we have right there. Amazing. Okay, so to open up the front hood, we're going to pull this. Yeah, pull it once. And let's take a look at what is hiding underneath this gorgeous car we have right here. There you go, guys. So this is your DB12 engine that we have right here. Final inspection done by Pedro Costa, hand built in Great Britain, guys. Amazing. Love the engine layout. The setup looks fantastic, man, dude. Whew, beautiful. Finishing that goes across the whole place is absolutely amazing, man. Intakes happening here. Love how the air flows through on this side, exits out on that side, comes through on this side, exiting out here also as well for cooling purposes. Beautiful layout, man, dude. Love it. Love it so much. Let's try and see if we can get this car. So that is it, guys, for today. If you would like to find out more about Aston Martin cars, do head down to Kuala Lumpur where you can look at this car and many other amazing cars that they have lying all over the place. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.